All right, the page that you are seeing now, it's a MySQL page. Now it is inside Docker Hub. Now to download or to pull MySQL image from Docker Hub, you can use docker pull MySQL command. Now there are some tags that you can see over here. Now these tags, they are very much helpful to download the specific version of MySQL. Okay, now let's say I want to download MySQL 8.1. Now for now I am assuming that you have installed Docker software in your hard disk, means in your machine, then these functions will work. Now let's say I have installed Docker in my machine. Now I want to download MySQL image. So for that you can use this command docker pull MySQL. So I will copy this command and I will open terminal, and let's say I will check. Okay, first let's check what are the images that I have in my machine. So for that I can check docker image ls. So docker image ls will list out all the Docker images that are present in your hard disk, and to list down all the Docker containers that are present in your machine, you can use docker ps-a. This will show all the containers that are present inside your machine. Now I will explain you all these flags after some time. Now the command that we had copied earlier, that was my docker pull, that was docker pull MySQL. I want 8.1. Now if I trigger this command will download MySQL version 8.1. So I am triggering it now, and you can see it, the download has started, and after some time this download will get completed and I will join you back there. Alright, our download has been completed. Now if we execute docker image ls, you can see we have got MySQL 8.1 version. Now remember, we haven't installed MySQL inside our machine. We have downloaded the image of Docker, or you can say we have downloaded the image of MySQL inside our Docker software, and that MySQL image, or you can say the MySQL software is contained under one operating system, a base Linux operating system. Now I will execute a command, I will show you those flags, and similarly I will execute that long command and I will show you those flags and which flags are responsible for which purpose, and to run the Docker image, so that you will know the use of those flags. So to run a Docker container, or you can say to run a Docker image, we have to use docker run command. So I will use docker run, then I will give a name hyphen name. Now if I don't give this flag, I will write some name. It's a MySQL 8_1. Now if I don't use my hyphen name, then Docker will automatically choose one random name, and that will be very difficult to understand that which image, or you can say which container has been derived from which image. Now once that is done, we will use -d. -d is for daemon, then -p, small p is for port number. Now our MySQL runs on 3306 port, so I will write 3306. Now I will give one more 3306. Now I will tell you why. My Docker container, it's running inside one virtual machine, or you can say inside one operating system. Now that operating system's port number will be mapped with the operating system's port number of my machine where Docker is installed. So 3306:3306. Once this is done, we will use -e. Now e is for environment variable. Now what is our environment variable? Let's say we want to fix, or you can say we want to configure the root password while we are trying to run the Docker image. Okay. Now the environment variable name is MySQL _root_password. Okay, then a password I will give, that is 123. Now these flags you can get in the Docker documentation. Now I will give --volume. Now volume will be, let's say, users then I will give pullup, then documents slash docker files, then mounts. Once this is done, then I will have a colon. Now this colon will map to the part of the, or to the folder of the Docker container. Okay, now this part, the first part, is where of my host machine the Docker files will reside. Means if I want to have any SQL configurations file, now I have to place it somewhere. Now that somewhere location is this folder. Now I will write the destination folder. Okay, that will be etc slash mysql slash conf.d slash this will be a space, then mysql, then colon 8.1. now this is the tag which we have downloaded. Now as I run it, our container is up and running. Now to check, you can use docker ps-a, and you can see over here we are running our image. What is the name of the image? That is mysql underscore 8 underscore 1, and that is running on port number 3306, and it is pointing to 3306 of our container. Okay, now this is how you can run a Docker container from an image. Okay, now in the next video I shall show you, or you can say in the next section I shall show you how you can configure MySQL inside the Docker container.